Hi, I'm Morgan Sapani. I'm a product manager here at Milwaukee Tool. And we're going to discuss one of our new drain cleaning products. This is the M12 Air Snake. So traditionally, when drain cleaning professionals are going to approach a clog, they're going to have to go beneath the sink. Reason being is, no matter the cable that you have, it's going to be really tough to feed through that P-trap. Well, when you do that on a clog that has your sink blocked up, you're going to get yourself in trouble with mess. So a lot of the time of drain cleaning is spent on the preparation and the cleaning of the clean that they just had to take care of. The difference with the M12 Air Snake is that now the drain cleaning professional can work above a sink, and that's going to eliminate a lot of that retrieval mess that cables will bring back, but also it's going to eliminate a lot of that setup time that in the past they've always had to work with. So what I'm going to do, give you a quick walk around. Back here is going to be your dial. Your dial is going to let you choose how much pressure you put. This specific sink has compression fittings, which are notoriously a very fragile type of style of connection. So it's very important that we have the control over what type of air pressure is going to be coming out. So in this case, what we recommend is for the user to start at a very low pressure and work their way up. So I'm going to set it to about 5 PSI. You'll see this button here on the side. You're going to press it and hold for 3 seconds. Once you hear the compressor engage, then you know you can pull your finger off. In this case, it reached its pressure, so you can see the needle has reached that marker. And now I know that I've got 5 PSI in here. So with this tool, you're going to have a bunch of different ranges of attachments. One is going to be for 3-inch. This is going to be for 2-inch. This will be for 4. We'll also have a 10-inch extension that we'll sell separately. So if you don't want to get your tool deep into a sink, you'll want to use this to get better access. And then we'll also have, I'll walk you over here real quick, we'll have a toilet attachment. So this will actually fit into your P-trap and start the air pushing it out further, and you won't have to worry about any splashback back to the user. I know that sounds crazy. I've done it myself, and it definitely works, and it has a really good seal. This is definitely one of our best accessories, and this will come with both our bare tool and it will come with our kit. Okay, so back to the clog. So I built up the pressure. I've selected my attachment. I want to make sure that I have a good seal, because if you don't have a good seal, your air is going to want to come back to the closest point of exit. So I'm going to put it over the drain. Again, we start with low because we want to make sure that we're not over pressurizing our fittings. So what we'll notice here is that it looks like we need a little bit more pressure. We still have a clog. So I'm going to go back to my dial. I'm going to build it up to a little bit over 10 PSI. We recommend going up in increments of 5. Again, just to make sure that we're not putting too much pressure. Same attachment. Go right over top of it. So as you can see, we've completely cleared the stoppage. But what you'll also notice is that we were able to clear it past the vent stack. So a lot of people will say, well, air pressure is great, but once you hit a vent stack, aren't you going to lose all your pressure? Well, what we were able to do is give enough pressure to the tool that it could clear the vent stack and still be able to clear the clog. Now let's take a look at our compression fitting down here. What you'll notice is we were able to keep this completely intact. So you have no mess, you didn't have to pull off your P-trap, your fixture is fully intact, and your drain is completely cleared. So I'll take off my attachment just to show you how these attach. Really simple, similar to an impact wrench. You have a quick connect, and then you can go about your day. And that's the M12 Drain Snake. Thanks for listening.